How to use Elgato game capture software. Hi there, welcome back to the channel. In this video, you're going to learn how to use Elgato game capture software step by step from setup to recording in just 2 minutes. Whether you want to record gameplay or go live, this tutorial will help you get started quickly and easily. Let's get started. 1. Connect your hardware. Plug your console's HDMI out into the HDMI in port on the Elgato device. Then, connect HDMI out from Elgato to your TV or monitor. Use the USB cable to connect the Elgato to your PC. This is how your footage is sent to the software. 2. Open Elgato Game Capture software. Once connected, launch Elgato Game Capture software. The gameplay should appear automatically. If not, check the input device settings and choose your console, PS5, Xbox, and more. Set your resolution in 60 FPS if supported. 3. Start recording or streaming. To record, just click the big red record button. The video will be saved automatically to your chosen folder. To go live, click the live streaming tab. Connect your Twitch or YouTube account and set your stream title and quality. 4. Optional: trim and share. After recording, use the trim tool to edit your clips. You can also upload it directly to platforms like YouTube from inside the software. And that's it. That was the quick tutorial on how to use Elgato Game Capture software. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.